It's Thursday, June 5th. In the headlines, government to introduce tougher penalties for crimes targeting critical telecom infrastructure. And work is underway on 78 roads in the $45 billion Spark program. In business news, Sagicor puts First Rock real estate development into receivership. Regionally, St. Lucian health officials warn of new, highly contagious COVID-19 strain. And in sports, Jamaica Basketball Association is seeking to recruit more NBA stars for the national team. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.